Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past question 55. Which of the following is a disadvantage of centralized filing system? A. Avoiding unnecessary duplication of records. B. Delay in retrieval of an urgent file. C. Ensuring uniformity and standardization of filing operations. D. Exercising control over records of organization. And E. Location and cross-referencing of file easily. Okay, so we are asked to pick an option which is a disadvantage of centralized filing system. Now, what is a centralized filing system? Like we know, there are two types of filing system. We have the centralized filing system and the decentralized filing system. But this question is concerned with the centralized filing system. Now, centralized filing system is actually what? It's a method. It is a method of filing. A method of filing where all files are kept and maintained. All files are kept and maintained in a single room or office, and messengers come from other departments. Messengers come from other departments to get them. So in terms of a centralized filing system, the files are kept and maintained in a single office or in a single room. So whenever any member of a different department actually need this file, they simply come to this particular office or room to get the files. Now, this centralized filing system has its advantages and disadvantages, but the question here is asking us to pick out an advantage, a disadvantage of the centralized filing system. Now, option A says avoiding unnecessary duplication of records. Now, this is an advantage of a centralized filing system. It's actually what prevents unnecessary duplication of records, since these records are actually kept in a single room. Now, B says delay in retrieval of an urgent file. Now, this is a disadvantage of a filing system. Because of all the records of this organization is kept in a single room or office, it is very slow to retrieve an urgent file. It is slow. There will be a delay in retrieving an urgent file. Now, C says ensuring uniformity and standardization of file operations. This is an advantage. Now, this is exercising control over records of an organization is also an advantage. And E says location and cross-referencing of file easily is also an advantage of centralized filing system. So therefore, the answer to this question is option B, which is the disadvantage of centralized filing system, because there's a delay in retrieval of urgent file. So B, option B, is the answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.